In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return items on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a return inside your Shopify admin, what each choice means, and how to avoid common mistakes. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. You'll be working from the main dashboard. Make sure you're using an account with permission to manage orders and returns, and that your store's return policy is clear and up to date so customers know what to expect. From the left-hand menu, click Orders. This opens your full order list. Use the search bar or filters to find the specific order you're handling. Open that order to see its details. Take a moment to confirm the order's fulfillment and payment status, and scan the timeline so you understand what's already happened, like delivery confirmation or previous adjustments. At the top right of the order page, click Return. If you don't see that option, the order might not be eligible yet, or you may need additional permissions. Once you're in the return screen, select the items being sent back and set the correct quantities. Shopify supports partial returns, so you can return only what the customer is sending back. Double check quantities against what was fulfilled to avoid errors. Next, choose a return reason for each item. Keep reasons concise and accurate, things like wrong size, damaged on arrival, or changed mind. These notes help you spot trends, reduce future issues, and keep your team aligned on restocking or quality checks. Now decide what happens next. Choose the return method you'll offer. Depending on your setup, you can create and email a return shipping label, upload a label from your carrier, or instruct the customer to use their own. Select where the item should be returned, especially if you manage multiple locations or a warehouse. Set your restock preference so inventory updates correctly after you receive and approve the items. If your policy requires inspection first, plan to issue the refund after the return arrives and is verified. If you allow immediate refunds, confirm that's acceptable for this case. Review the return summary carefully, confirm the items and quantities, the reasons you selected, any shipping charges or label details, the restock location and behavior, and how the customer will be notified. Accuracy here prevents back and forth and keeps inventory and accounting clean. When everything looks right, click Create Return. Shopify will record the return on the order timeline and, if enabled, send the customer the return instructions and label. From here you can track progress, receive the items, and finalize the refund according to your policy. That's it. Your return is created and under control.